Good afternoon, friends. This is November 2020 MICA. I'll be telling about one-liners. This is part one. Here, top-notch captivators of the month. Rajiv Kumar assumes charge as new election commissioner of India. Rajiv Kumar. We can expect this question. Yoshide Suga was sworn in as Japan's new Prime Minister. Senior IAS PD Vaghela appointed as new TROI chairman. This is also expected question. Senior IAS PD Vaghela appointed as new TROI chairman. Australian Judge James Spiegelman has resigned from Hong Kong Highest Court. Singer Usha Mangeshkar conferred Gan Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award 2020-21. Singer Usha Mangeshkar conferred Gan Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award 2020-21. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize on British broadcaster David Attenborough. This is also useful. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Father of India's radio astronomy Govind Swarup passes away. Australian cricketer Dean Jones died of cardiac arrest in Mumbai. Australian cricketer Dean Jones died of cardiac arrest in Mumbai. A renowned scholar of Indian classical dance, Dr. Kapila Vatsyayan, passes away. Renowned scholar of Indian classical dance, Dr. Kapila Vatsyayan, passes away. Sumit Nagal becomes first Indian to win Grand Slam singles main draw match in 7 years. Sumit Nagal becomes first Indian to win Grand Slam singles main draw match in 7 years. This is the November MICA. Here what is important is say we can now go through page number 55, designation who is who. Designation who is who. Page number 55. Page number 55 tells about designation who is who. So this is a very useful thing for SBI clerks. Chairman of Rajya Sabha Venkaiah Naidu, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Chairman of Niti Aayog Narendra Modi, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Ghulam Nabi Azad, Leader of the House in Lok Sabha Narendra Modi, Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha not given, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora. This has changed. This has changed. Some new name we saw there, some new name we saw in the beginning. What is that? Rajiv Kumar. He has assumed charge as new election commissioner, but this man continues to be the chief election commissioner. Page number 55. We have to go to page number 55. Yeah. Okay. And election commissioner is Rajiv Kumar and Sushil Chandra. So Sunil Arora continues to be chief election commissioner. Then Director General ITBP S.S. Deshwal. Then Director of ITBP is S.S. Deshwal. Chief Vigilance Commissioner is Sanjay Kothari. Number 11, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla. Harshvardhan Shringla. Number 12, Comptroller Auditor General of India, S. Somnath. Number 13, Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Um, sorry, Foreign Secretary is what? Harshvardhan Shringla. Number 12 is Comptroller Auditor. Number 12 is Comptroller Auditor General of India, G.C. Marmu. 13, Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Somnath. Somnath. Then Chairman Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, R.S. Sharma. CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla. Then Chairman National Commission for Scheduled Tribe Nand Kumar Sai. 17, Chairperson National Commission for Minorities Syed Gayorul Azan Rizvi. Syed Gayorul Azan Rizvi. Chairman UPSC Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Director General National Investigation Agency YC Modi. Then Chairman Space Commission and ISRO ISRO K. Sivan. Chairman Atomic Energy Commission and Secretary Department of Atomic Energy K. N. Vyas. Chairman Staff Selection Commission Braj Raj Sharma. 23, Chairman National Human Rights Commission Justice H.L. Dato. 24, Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Vivek Joshi. Then 25, Chairman Central Board of Direct Taxes Pramod Chandra Modi. Pramod Chandra Modi. Now we have to go for point number 26. Chairman Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India Subhash Chandra Kuntia. 27, Chairman Securities and Exchange Board of India Ajay Tyagi. Chairperson State Bank of India Rajneesh Kumar, likely to change. India's permanent representative in UNO T.S. Tirumurthy. Number 30, Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Balla. 31, Chairperson of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma. Number 32, Chairman 15th Finance Commission N.K. Singh. Number 33, Chairman Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta. Number 34, Chairperson Central Board of Film Certification Prasoon Joshi. Number 35, President ASOCAM Niranjan Hiranandani. Number 36, Chairman NASCOM UB Praveen Rao. UB Praveen Rao. 37, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. 38, Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. Chief of Air Staff Chief of Defence Staff is General Bipin Rawat. Chief of Air Staff is Rakesh Kumar Bhadauria. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh. Here I think I made some mistake. Please be guided carefully. Read against that. Yeah. Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Naravane. Chief of RAW is Samanth Goyal. Director Baba Atomic Research Center AK Mohanty. 43 is National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Kateria. 44 President FICCI Sangeetha Reddy. 45 Chairman of 21st Law Commission Dr. Justice B.S. Chauhan. 46 National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. 47 Chairperson Prasar Bharati Dr. A. Surya Prakash. 48 Director General of National Testing Agency Vineet Joshi. 49 Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Chairman Indian Banks Association is our Rajneesh Kumar, SBI Chairman. Avik Sarkar, the Editor Emeritus and Vice Chairman of Ananda Bazar Group of Publications, has been elected as Chairman of Press Trust of India, the country's premier news agency. So this video is more useful for all those appearing for SBI Clerks Main. Very much useful for those appearing for Karnataka Bank PO interview, Karnataka Bank Law Officer interview, and SBI CBO Circle Based Officers interview also. Thank you so much.